How do I make my iPhone ring longer before answering? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to make your iPhone ring longer, then you'll need to go to your settings and then go ahead and tap on accessibility and then scroll down under physical and motor, tap touch. Then scroll down, there you'll find call audio routing, tap on it, and then you can see auto answer calls, tap on it and then toggle it on. Now you can see that it is set to 3 seconds. So you'll have to tap on the plus icon to increase the seconds. And then after that, after you have set the seconds of your wish, you can just toggle off the auto answer calls. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.